Yeah, I'd like to ask him, okay, what's the weather going to be like this weekend, Watson? And probably get a pretty good answer, don't you think? Supercomputers do a lot of the work for us. One of the reasons we're so concerned about this weekend, of course, is for all you runners out there. It is that time. It is the 20th anniversary of the Austin Marathon. Live Strong Foundation this year, the sponsor of the marathon. And I want you runners to know that right here on KXAN.com, under the weather blog, every day this week we will be updating your hour-by-hour race forecast. This is what we think right now Sunday will be like. Low 60s when the race begins, high humidity, maybe some patchy fog, some patchy light drizzle. And you weather buffs, don't forget about Skywarn this Saturday. Go to the weather blog there and read about how you can become involved. It's free, and we would love for you to attend. The public is welcome. It is partly sunny out there right now to mostly cloudy. It is 72 degrees, super. At 8 o'clock tonight, 67. At 10 o'clock tonight, 64 degrees and mostly cloudy. Out there currently across the area, everybody in the low 70s. It is in the city, 72, and the same at the airport with a mostly cloudy sky officially. South winds at 12 to 16 miles per hour. Sunsets at 6:21 tonight. Mold stayed in that low category today. I guess that freezing weather killed them all off early in the month, but it won't be too long until they start multiplying with this kind of warmth and this kind of moisture in the atmosphere. So we expect it to go a little higher tomorrow. Could see a few spring trees showing up at low levels. Look at that warm weather out there in West Texas. A lot of 80s. We would have been leaving a little warmer than we were today were it not for the clouds that remained pretty intact most of the day. We're just now beginning to see some breaks in the clouds in some areas. We're seeing a storm system off the Pacific Northwest coast there, but the storm track right now across the northern part of the country. That will change. We're going to see a trough develop out here over the coming days that will really remain parked out there. Our computer models want to keep a trough out here to the west of us right on into early March. I mean, 2nd, 3rd, 4th of March. If that's true, our weather pattern won't change a lot between now and then. Unusually warm. Moist, clouds in the morning, afternoon sun. This may be the warmest day across the United States. In fact, no freezing weather showing up anywhere in any of the major cities anyway that we have seen since maybe December. Around here, we'll see the low clouds again in the morning. They burn away in the afternoon. Then we'll see that repeating pattern again on Friday and, you know, really right on through the weekend, pretty much the 7-day period. Here are your lows tonight. Low 60s in Austin. Everybody else dips barely into the 50s and then rebounds tomorrow into the low to mid 70s once again. Tonight, 62 in the city for the low. South wind at 10 to 15. The low clouds overnight. Some light fog, some patches of drizzle in the morning, and then the sun's out, and we're about 76 tomorrow afternoon. And here's the 7-day forecast. And again, little change as we see some disturbances finally kicked out of that big trough out to the west. We may have a legitimate rain shower chance over the weekend and especially into next week, but those will remain pretty small every day.